Muthia thutha wa mieri kenda mwekuirwo uria wanyitire kia hinya na gucoka kuraga baby Tamara Blessing KABURA mwena wa Witemere kaunti-ini ya Nyeri niatuirĩirwo kinyonga ni igoti inene ria Nyeri. Aikinyiria kioho giki mucirithania Justice Kizito Magare augite wira uria watemanirio igoti-ini riri ni muiganu wa gukinyaniria itua riri kuona mwana uyu ni atungirio ruo ruingi mbere yake kuragwo ni kimaramari giki kiria giacokire kumuthika nyumba-ini yakio. Hamwe na uguo itua-ini riake Justice Kizito Magare akiuga Mundurume uyu agukorwo ari kionereria kuri ndwira ingi iria cirahama ciana kuona ciiko ici ni ciongererekeire o gwakia guko kaunti-ini ya Nyeri.
You ruptured her, leading her to severe hemorrhage after boring copious amount of spermatozoa in the ruptured vagina of the minor. You then proceeded to strangle the minor by smothering her. The minor died of asphyxiation due to suffocation under excruciating pain as described by the convict himself.
Justice Kizito Magare akiregana na woni wa MACHARIA wa gwitetera akiuga ahingicirwo ni ngoma gutabania ngero ino kuria Kizito augite cira-ini uyu shaitani ndarari na ucuke.
Is unable to discern any role played by the devil. The Lord does not recognize blame to supernatural powers. In this instance, the devil is innocent.
Kimaramari giki kiria mutaratara wa kunyongwo wambiriirie gikiheo nduku 14 gucokia cira riko agikorwo gitinaiganira kuria nakuo aciaria baby Tamara mamukirite itua riri makiuga kihoto nikionekana na ruo ruria rwatungirio mwana wao ni rukurikirira.
Therefore, accordingly, I find that you are hereby sentenced to death. A death warrant shall be transmitted to the competent authority for signing and carrying out of the sentence after 30 days stay of execution. You have 14 days to appeal, and I close the file.
Father to the late, and I'm very contented with the verdict of Justice Kizito, because such people have no place in society. The perpetrator was not remorseful in any sense, and the verdict has given us a sense of accountability and closure. Now at least we can move to the next step of healing. So now it will be easier, knowing that our child got justice that is deserved.
I'm very great. They na gatho nyingi muno na ndirahoya no go baby Chantel I could get the same justice.
Today I feel it was not in vain. I want to thank Justice Kizito for sending a clear message to any pedophile, any person who think of harming a child, and giving precedent to any other case that death is the sentence.
Gerifo Tera Kameme TV kuma igoti-ini ria Nyeri jitagwo Wahu Wagugi.